Migration in birds. Birds are moved from one place to another at certain times of the year. This movement is called migration. Migration is part of the life cycle of birds. Why do birds migrate? In order to find more food, to disperse their own breed to different regions, to protect their babies, to get away from predators, to avoid diseases, to protect them from warmer or colder climate. Birds can travel a few miles or several thousand miles. Some birds go short distances to ponds to breed. On the other hand, the Arctic tern spends the summer in the Arctic and the winter in Antarctica. This journey covers about 18,000 kilometers. Migrations can take place either during the day or at night. Birds such as geese migrate during the day. Sparrows, warblers, and thrushes travel by night. Migrating birds can find their way over long and complex routes. They use land features such as rivers and mountains to tell where they are. Scientists think that many birds use the position of the sun and the stars to find the way too. Thank you.